In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll explain what each screen means so you feel confident setting things up the right way the first time. Once you're in your QuickBooks dashboard, look to the left sidebar. From there, open All Apps to find the tools you need. Then select Sales Tax. This takes you to the sales tax area. Click Overview to see the sales tax setup at a glance. When you're ready to begin, choose Get Started. This is what opens the Sales Tax Center and begins the guided setup. QuickBooks will automatically pull in your physical business address here. That address matters because it determines the tax rules that apply to your sales. Take a moment to review it carefully. If anything has changed, like your street number, suite, city, or postal code, go ahead and edit it now so the correct location is used. Accurate address information helps ensure your rates and tax calculations match your business location and compliance needs. When everything looks good, hit Next. You'll be taken to a bulk matching screen. Think of this as a quick review step where QuickBooks groups and suggests matches related to your tax setup. Look through what's shown, make any edits you need so the details reflect how you actually collect and track tax, and then select Next to continue. The goal here is simply to confirm that what QuickBooks has detected aligns with how you plan to manage sales tax going forward. Next, you'll land on your rates review. This is where you can see your active rates and confirm they're correct. You'll notice an option labeled Change. Use that if you want to adjust a rate, rename something for clarity, or just take a closer look at how a rate is configured. Take your time here. Verifying your active rates now prevents headaches later on invoices and receipts. If everything checks out, finish by selecting Save. That's it. Your Sales Tax Center is set up. From here on, QuickBooks will use the information you provided to apply the right sales tax to your sales based on your setup. If you ever notice that your address has changed or your rates need an update, come back to this area, choose Change on the rate you want to review, and then Save to keep everything current. With these steps completed, you're ready to create sales forms with confidence, knowing your taxes are calculated according to the settings you just established.